fishing for the first time. Catch some blue crab, baby. Had that chicken. Anything at Tyson's, man. Straight out of Kroger. Good old chicken. I wonder if they like it fried. We fried, ready to eat. Alright, so tie rope to the pole. The chicken. Chicken wanna stay home, you don't wanna go. Go. Find me some things. Alright, so y'all see the chicken light thing? That's the thing she's pulling in. Go ahead slowly. You can't really see the crab behind it because the mud is stirring so much, but we can see the mud stirring up because of the crab when it's eating. Alright, it's not. It must have let go. You feel anything? Also, okay, I see a crab. Bring him in. Bring him in right here. We got one. We got one.
Have to release it.
Yep, he's gonna go back because he's small, but at least we starting off getting something. Got this little baby joint. We're gonna put him there. Go on. Let me see if I can take him out without him pinching me, y'all.
Oh wow. Back of the.
Here we go. He's trying to get me. Woo! Come on, man. I don't want to hurt you. There we go. Get you say hi to YouTube, man. Say hi to YouTube. What you doing? Let's go. Fly. Out of there.
We should have took him away from the baby.
So got one. That's how we start. Then we get the big ones out. Let's see what we can do.
I thought that's a good spot.
Feel me? Yeah, we need the big ones though. I'm trying to go a little bit deeper. A little bit deeper. See if we can get some big ones to come out. Alright, stop. Yeah, it's there. It's a small one though. Looks like it. Oh, that's a big one. Come on, baby. Slowly. Come on. Bring him in. Just bring him into the net. Straight to the net. Got him. Good job. We got another one. Definitely still another shorty. Unfortunately, hold the net. The chicken out. He's in there. See if we can grab him again. Right behind the back is where you want to grab him. Oh, let him go. Let him go. Look at him fighting for their life. Fighting for their life. My mans. What you doing? Ooh, he got me.
He stung you?
Oh, he bit me, man. With his claws, pinchers. That don't want to let go. Come on. There we go. Number 2. It's not good. It's a male, though. That's how you tell if it's a male or a female. Got that little, you know what thing. That's how you know if it's a male. Right here. The little arrow. The females is wider. So, we're going to let him
Release
go.
him.
Let him go. Let him be. Stay away from our chicken. Send your brother. Your big brother. So we changed locations to the other side. That's right over there was where we were just trying to crab. We walked across. And it was nice. Got channels on the other side of this little road right here. You can see where the pipes are. That lets the crab and fish come in and go out from the ocean. Oh, she's saying she got one. Let's see what it is. Come on, bring it in. Steer it towards the net. You know what to do. Come on. Come on, bring him in.
Come on. Let him go.
Another shorty. And he's going up, y'all. And he ran on his own. He was gonna be free. So, found a new spot on the same bridge in the middle. We're trying to catch fish this time. Got our reels out. You know. She got her reel out. We're trying to get some fish out of here while we wait for these crabs to show up. Wherever they at. They at home right now sleeping. I don't know if y'all can see that view out there though. It's a nice view. One of the most beautiful views I've seen in a long time. Birds flying through. And look at the houses out there. And down here, they got some nice homes. You're gonna get to see a little bit of that on the way back. Pier right over there. You can rent, you can stand around and watch, do whatever you want to do. They got coffee and cocktails, I think, over there too.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Might have to get one.
Perfect. Nice coffee for you.